All right, here we have a very interesting question. It says find the perimeter and area of shaded area of the shaded part. So the shaded part is this one here. We can just reinforce it by putting like this. This is the shaded part. Find the perimeter and area for it. Okay, cool. We start by saying label this as area number 1, label this as area number 2, label this as area number 3. Right. By labeling those, we can now move. Okay. Since we understand that this is 5 and this is 16, therefore this distance here is going to be 16 minus 5, which is going to be 11. I'm assuming everyone understands that. Therefore, 16 is the entire distance. But since from here to here is 5, therefore from there to all the way there is 16. Okay. How then do we find all the other distances? We start. Area number 1 is equals to base times height. Is equals to area number 1 is base times height. Area number 1 is equals to 45. The area of this one is 45, where the base is 5 centimeter times the height, which is this one, which I don't know, right, is the height. Divide both sides by 5. The height is going to be 9 centimeter. So this here, all the way here, is 9 centimeter, right? Maybe I can put it better by putting it inside, that this here is going to be 9 centimeter. We can remove this one. Okay, that is 9 for starters. This is area number 1. All right, let's look at area number 2. We say area 2 is equals to also base times height. Area number 2 is 40, is equals to the base. We also do not know the base for that one, but we know the height, because if this is 9, all of that is 9, all of this is 9, right? If all of that is 9, therefore this one that is left here, this one that is left here is going to be 4 centimeter, right? If all of that one is 9, all of this is 9, and this is going to be 13, all of it is 13. Therefore the bottom one, which is this small part that is left, is going to be 4. So the base of area, the height of area number 2, which is this one here, is going to be 4, right? 4 times the base, which is this one, which we do not know, times the base. So what we come to is that the base of area number 2 is going to be 10 centimeter. Okay, cool. Now we're finding things. And then we go to area number 3. Area number 3 is also equals to base times height. Then we say, okay, cool. Area number 3 is equals to 48. What is the base, which is this one here? Same story. If this is 16, and this has already been found to be 10 centimeter, therefore this one is 6 centimeter, right? Which is the base of area number 3. 6 times height of area number 3, we do not know. We say the height is equals to 48 divided by 6. It should be 8. 8 times 3 is 24 times 2, yes, is 48 centimeter. Is what? Is this part here, right? This part here is 8 centimeter. And then we say, remember that this is a 4. If we push it further, therefore it says this here is going to be a 4 and that there is going to be a 4, which gives us this side of the shaded area, which means this side of the height of the shaded area is going to be 4 centimeter. Let me write it properly. This side of the shaded area is going to be 4 centimeter, which is the height. of the shaded area. And then, okay, if this here, all of it is 11, and this part here is 6, therefore the part that is left here is going to be 5 centimeter. So shaded area is equals to the dimensions. The base is equals to 5 centimeter. The base is equals to 5 centimeter, and the height is equals to 4 centimeter. And then you say the area therefore is going to be base times height is equals to 5 times 4 is equals to 20 centimeter squared. You say perimeter is going to be 2 base times 2 height is going to be equals to 2 times 5 plus 2 times 4, which is going to be equals to 10 plus 8, which is going to be 18 centimeter. That is the answer.